Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jahan, and guys, on this channel I make fragrance reviews. So if you are interested in fragrance reviews, you can subscribe my channel for more videos. Guys, in this video I'm going to share 5 Middle Eastern fragrances. So we all know when it's come to Middle Eastern fragrances or brands, they don't compromise on performance and projection. So these all fragrances are very strong, very potent. So guys, I'll start with number 5. This fragrance is based on oud. If you like oud based fragrances, if you like strong fragrances, woody fragrances, I will suggest you to try this fragrance. Guys, the name of this fragrance is Fakat Rijal, and this fragrance is by the House of Risasi. This one is very strong on oud, leather, saffron and jasmine. So jasmine and saffron is giving sweetness to this fragrance, and oud and leather note is quite strong in this fragrance. It's perfect for cold weather. If you like oud based fragrances, I will suggest you to try this fragrance. This fragrance is around $80 or $90 here in Australia, and you will get 50 ml bottle. So this fragrance will last for months or years because you don't need to spray a lot of times. You just need to spray 2 or 3 times and it will last full day on your skin. Next fragrance which I'm going to share with you on number 4. Guys, this fragrance is inspired by Oud Bouquet from the House of Lancome. I haven't tried that fragrance, but I read a lot of reviews. Guys, the name of this fragrance is Shagaf Oud by the House of Swiss Arabian. This fragrance is extremely sweet and strong on note of oud, and it has really strong note of incense as well. One more thing I just want to mention, I just want to clear. When I say this fragrance is extremely sweet, the sweetness which you will get in this fragrance is dry. This fragrance is dry, sweet and very strong. So a few days back I made one funny video. I just tried to be funny, and I posted one short video on my Facebook group where I oversprayed this fragrance. I sprayed more than I think 30 times. But if you have this fragrance, guys, you know that you don't need to spray more than 2 times. This fragrance is extremely strong and this fragrance smells very beautiful. Guys, now the next fragrance which I'm going to share with you, I would say it is value for money. The name of this fragrance is 24 Hour Oud, and this fragrance is inspired by Tom Ford Black Orchid. I love that fragrance, and that fragrance is my most favorite from the House of Tom Ford. This fragrance smells beautiful, guys, and I would say this one is 90% close to Black Orchid. This fragrance just takes 5 minutes to settle, and after that I would say no one can judge whether you are wearing Tom Ford Black Orchid or 24 Hour Oud. This fragrance is that close to Black Orchid. Number 3, 24 Hour Oud. So guys, next fragrance which I'm going to share with you, it's Tobacco Edition from the House of Al Haramain. This fragrance is inspired by Tobacco Bunny. I would say this one is very nice take on Tobacco Bunny. This one is more bright, more fresher and more lighter version of Tobacco Bunny. In top notes, they have used note of ginger, which is making this fragrance more fresh. I remember when first time I wore this fragrance gave me vibe of chai latte. This one is more strong on spices, and you will get hint of tobacco. Tobacco note is not really strong in this fragrance, and performance and projection of this fragrance is just mind-blowing. The last one, which is on number 1. Guys, this one is my absolutely favorite from these 5. I got this fragrance I think 2 months ago, and I wore this fragrance a lot. Again, this fragrance is inspired by Tom Ford, Noir de Noir, and the name of this fragrance is Club de Nuit Intense for Women. This fragrance is marketed for women, but this fragrance is unisex. I would say men's can easily wear this fragrance. It has note of rose, chocolate and patchouli. There are few more notes, I don't remember exactly, but these are more prominent notes in this fragrance. I got one sample of Noir de Noir by Tom Ford and I loved it. I really liked that fragrance, but when I got this fragrance, I never feel like that I have to buy a full bottle of Noir de Noir. As I will highly recommend you, if you haven't tried this fragrance yet, just try it, sample it, and I'm pretty sure you will love this fragrance. It is perfect for cold weather. So guys, these were my favorite fragrances from Middle East. Which are your favorite fragrances? If you want to share, you can share in comment section. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.